Are you looking to level up your gameplay and score those massive points? Well, in today's video, I'm going to share you my top tips and strategies to help you dominate in Block Blast and rack up those high scores. So let's get started. So step number one is to focus on combos. Try to create chain reactions where blocks clear out in sequence. The bigger the combo, the higher the score. Step number two, save power-ups. Use power-ups like bombs or special blocks wisely. Save them for moments when they can clear a large portion of your board or when you're stuck. Step number three is plan moves in advance. Don't just focus on clearing immediate blocks. Look at how each move will affect the few turns and try to set up larger combos. Step number four is clear multiple rows or columns. Clearing more rows or columns in a single move gives you more points. Try to align your blocks for maximum impact. Step number five is balance speed and strategy. Some levels may reward speed, while others need careful planning. Know when to focus on clearing blocks quickly and when to slow down for strategic moves. Step 6 and the last one is to watch for bonuses. There might be hidden bonuses for clearing specific blocks or achieving certain milestones in each level. Keep an eye out for special objectives. And that's it, guys. With these tips, you'll be blasting blocks and hitting high scores in no time. I hope you like this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!